Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this LeetCode problem. So this problem is related to strings. Okay, so what is this? They given one question like defining an IP address. So so you can see. So they given one address like this 1.1.1.1. So wherever you find this dot, you have to replace that with this symbol. So that is the way you can solve this thing. So there is one method which is known as replace, which is available in strings. So just directly you can apply that method here. This method which is known as replace. What you have to replace? You have to replace dot with this list braces. This, that's it. Let's run this sample. This, okay. I have to replace. I have to put comma here. So what value you have to replace with what value? So that is the logic you have to perform. So I already covered the methods related to strings. Just go through it. It will be very helpful for you to solve the sleep code problems. Submitting this. mm, yeah, that's it. In this way, you can solve this problem. Just you have to replace that logic with a dot with this. That's it. So we'll see the next. We'll solve the next problem in the next tutorials. Till then, take care. Bye bye.